Welcome to another episode of Fold My Life with John Loves Origami, and today I'm going to be folding this lamp. It's an original design by me and it's inspired by this. In the development of this design, I decided to use these small papers. Thinking about what that initial lantern looked like, I decided to try to make something in the shape of one of those little quadrant things. So my initial thought was I'm going to try to go for something like this. This is going to be modular, so I'm going to make a few more, but it is just experimental. Okay, there, now we have two. We can see how they connect. See right here, I had to make a white stripe to connect them, and that white stripe is ugly and it's not going to be able to work because when I try to close it, I'm going to have to reach inside there to fold that white stripe. I'm going to try it one more time with a few adjustments. I mean, the idea is definitely there, just got to fix some of the difficulties. Spoiler alert, trial 2 is just as ugly as trial 1. For this third design, I decided that I'd make this fold right here that I'm about to do a little bit longer. This would make it so the angle at which we connected the pieces would be a little bit more manageable. Also, it would make it so we only need 6 units. I know this because I researched many other modular origamis. Now I can't tell you why, but for some reason I got lucky with this design first time. I was able to quickly assemble the whole thing in about no time at all. But something that I noticed with that, it was very hard to connect, and at the end I tried to do it 3x3 and I failed. But that's okay because in doing this I had a breakthrough, which I'll show you in a sec. Okay, this is how you fold the first modular. Now for these next two folds, it doesn't matter which side you do on, just make sure that you follow these red circles. And also make sure that these folds are kind of crispy because you're going to need those to make the curvature of the lantern. Okay guys, I invented this fold, so I get to decide how you make it. What you're going to do is you're going to take 3 modules and you're going to connect them together, and you're just going to do that twice. And then we're just going to connect those two. But this is a breakthrough I had previous fold. It's coming up right here. You can do this to lock it in while you're locking the top and the bottom side, and it helps a lot. Now I actually had a second breakthrough too. Basically, what you can do here is you can make it extra locked if you fold it twice over. Kind of looks like a pumpkin, low-key. Now just do that one more time. Good to see that you're keeping up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect these two. Remember, it's important to keep calm and keep patient while completing this step because, you know, the last step in modular can be very hard and it might take you a few tries until you get it perfect. So right here, we're almost finished, and after we're just gonna make sure that everything's locked in place by pinching every single lock. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys could make it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. This is my recording studio for my other channel, which I just started. I'm gonna be trying to replace this lamp with this origami. So I have it plugged in. Maybe turn this on. Oh. Let's turn it on. 3. Alright, actually, let me turn this off first. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I might need to keep this. This looks really nice. It lights up pretty well. Hold on, let me see if it works with this. Yeah, so you can't really see it light up if I have that on, so.